I've been waiting for a brand, any brand, to propose an alternative to Broncolor's paras, to their parabolic light modifiers. And the reason for that is because these are way out of reach for a lot of people, for a lot of photographers, and that's a shame because they give a unique look to your images. And then a few months ago, Godox announced the development of their own line of paras, and of course, I had to get my hands on one. Godox is not the only one. There are other brands, other manufacturers that propose their own affordable parabolic light modifiers. Paras that are accessible to everyone, because ultimately this is what this is all about. The problem is calling a light modifier parabolic is not enough. Only a reflector that is shaped like a true parabola can produce this distinctive look. Fortunately for us, the Godox Parabolic focusing system is a parabola, not just in name, but provides this smooth light diffusion and beautiful contrast and versatility all in one like it should. I currently have and use the P128 that has a highly reflective silver interior with a 128 centimeters outer diameter. In addition to the large reflector, this kit includes a focusing mount, focusing rod, strobe adapter, a grip kit, and a carry bag. Unlike other brands that tried, it has the 24 rods and panels that make the shape of the modifier close to a true round light source. But how did Godox do this? How did they cut the price? Well, like they always do, they changed the materials that they used and, of course, simplified the overall system. It still feels and looks solid. I was worried that by oversimplifying it, the whole system would end up being fragile and unusable on a daily basis. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with what they achieved. I have to say, I'm not a fan of their quick opening system. I loved the one on the Broncolor Para 88 at 133. But I guess this is one of the trade-offs that we have to accept. And for the focusing system, why make things complicated? You just have to loosen the knob and slide the rod to your likings. Now, what's all the fuss about? Well, here are a few images that were made with this light modifier. When defocused or flooded, the light in the Para 128 fills mostly the edges of the para, creating a halo of light, but also offering some light fill from the middle of the para. In the middle position, the para offers a nice blend of contrast and a bit of fill from the outer edges, offering a less contrasty image. When fully focused or spotted, the depth creates a contrasty hard light with very little fill. Focusing the P128 increases the light output by about a stop and a half, so be sure to adjust power or camera settings accordingly. Godox, of course, proposes different sizes for this parabolic light focusing system. This name is too long. I have the P128, and I believe it's the perfect size if you often work in tight spaces, on location, and if you do headshots, portraits, and sometimes full body shots.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Load it.
Yeah. What? Yeah. 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 What?
The paras create dimensions no other light modifiers could, and they offer, thanks to the focusing system, light variations with only one light modifier. Clean and specular highlights, a very distinctive look and contrast, and also offers a broad light source that wraps around your subject. At this price, I'm sold. You will most likely see this light modifier in future behind the scenes videos because it has quickly become one of my favorite light modifiers for my work. Of course, I will keep you updated if anything happens to my para. Will it stand the test of time? I don't know, we'll see in a few months. What about you? Have you ever used a parabolic light focusing system? Are you considering owning one? And why? Tell us in the comments below. I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Take care, and until then, have a good one.